Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Well, I just realized I was right in front of a shitter. Outhouse. Get to the crapper! Anyway, I'm going to be doing something I haven't done in, feels like years, but it's actually probably only been months, which is still too long. Canteen cup cooking. Or canteen cup reheating if you want to be technical. I'll pan the camera down, show you the hardware, and we'll get to warming up my lunch. I'm getting hungry. Okay, today's hardware. Butane adapter. Pathfinder canteen cup. Lid, Uco spork. Butane. And the Primus classic stove. And then the food will be smoked hickory beanie weenies and smoked sausages. I got these from a gentleman right here on YouTube, Mark KratzMC, awesome dude. I will link his channel, very cool guy. Made with chicken and pork. And I got a little Uncle Steve's shake, which is just in a little dollar store container. And I got the Nikon, which I'll be doing close-ups with, and of course a little bit of water. So, let me get set up. Okay, because we're under stage 3 burn ban right now, I actually just picked these up from behind the crapper. These are just some treated 2x4s because I want to elevate my pan to keep the heat off the picnic table, so it won't get too hot, because I've actually had that problem before. I was cooking something and then I picked up the pan and then there was a huge scorch mark underneath the table, and that felt really bad. And the fact that we're under burn ban, I at least want to try to minimize heat transfer. So you just screw this guy on, and then you attach your container. And you just screw this guy in here. And try to make sure that, and having this elevated is nice because I can have this stand upright and I don't have to worry too much about the fireball explosion. Let me do a close-up on this. I might have been tilted a little high, but I'm gonna give you a close-up. So that's the stand, the stove, and the canister. Now having the canister up means no fireball, hopefully. Well, alright, let's see if we get a fireball. No fireball! Woohoo! Get to keep my eyebrows. I'm gonna warm that up. Oh, I didn't bring any hot sauce. Oh, Mark, you fool! Alright. I want to put a little bit of water in here, just to give it something to sit in, and so it's not just sitting on direct. The beans aren't just sitting on directly over the heat. Oh, the Beanie Wienies already have I guess that makes sense. Beanie Wienies. Okay, well, we're gonna have Beanie Wienies and extra sausage. Look at those. They actually already had water in there, so water may have been a mistake. I'll just pour it out. I was reminded of Florida Boy Survival. He's always eating those those Vienna sausages. Yeah, that was it. For some reason I was thinking I've done this before. Am I already getting into repeats? Let's I don't want to get too hot. I'm just warming it up. It's not like I need to fully cook it. So Let's take a look. Ooh. I've seen some bubble action. Anyway, cut all these in half. Or try to. Well, I got a mosquito right in my face. Just being friendly. I don't want to burn the bottom either. So, they might actually already be done. I'm just heating them up. It's not like I have to cook anything. I'll give it maybe another minute. Well, it's boiling. I'll give it like, you know what I'll do? I'll actually kill the heat. And I'll just let the residual heat in the lid warm everything up. And then we'll eat it. The camera is tilted down a little too far, but whatever. We'll try it without the shake first. Do a little taste. As I sit on a table with bird poo right underneath me. That's just living right there. Ooh, that's hot enough. Wow. Try one of these sausages. I'll tell you what, the texture of these is like, wow. They have a really soft texture. I think I remember the reason I didn't really go for the Vienna sausages. Wow, bugs, leave me alone. I sprayed on some off. I guess I'll eat my lunch and get back to you. I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch me eat the whole thing. Alright, so I was sitting here eating and I started reading the can of ingredients. And it's mechanically separated chicken, which I'm not even sure how they do that, but water, pork skin, chicken skin, corn syrup, and pork spleens. Yummy. Anyway, as always, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check the description below for Mark's channel. Awesome guy. Thanks again, brother, and I'll catch you in the next one.